giving Nneka the chance. She might sincerely love you. Huh?
No, I won't. Because if I do, I will still break her heart.
Perfect. Brother. Snake, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Be fast. Be fast. He's moving. Get something to tie my leg. Please. Yeah. Tie here. Fast. Sorry. Wait, just wait, eh? I'm coming. Wait, eh? Hurry up!
Father, I grew up to be informed about this royal coffee. Ever since then, I stick to the rule. Last night I was thinking, why am I so conscious not to break the rule and not know what it stands for?
My son, Father, can you ignore that thought and stick to the rule of the royal coffee?
No, Father. I can't. I'm becoming more disturbed. I deserve to know, don't I?
Of course, you deserve to know. I will surely tell you at the right time.
Father, I am the crown prince and heir apparent to the throne of our kingdom. Do you still think now is the right time to tell me what I deserve to know?
You're right. You're the crown prince. Yes, as I told you, I will tell you at the right time. And that is when you have gone through the initiation. Remember, you are just 20 years old.
Father, I'm becoming so worried. I may not maintain my cool for too long.
You have no choice here, my son. You just have to wait till the right time.
Destiny, oh destiny, yeah. Akala continue, oh destiny can never be changed.
Young man, what is it? What is pursuing you?
Ezemo, my brother was bitten by a poisonous snake. Please help me, Ezemo. I do not want him to die, please.
Your brother will not die. Where is he now?
Ezemo, we were on our way to the farm when he was bitten by the snake.
Wait for me.
Ezemo, please be fast. Please, Ezemo. I do not want him to die.
That I am the last born does not change the fact that I am a man. Father, why not do the needful instead of postponing your duties? It is your obligation to educate me on the tradition and culture of our people, so as to make a good king after your reign.
And I have not failed in that responsibility, have I?
Not until now, Father. Tomorrow is a mystery. You may not have the chance to say. Should that be the case, Father, I will be forced to leave Peru. I know nothing about its introduction.
You wish your father dead?
Father, death is inevitable. As long as we live on this earth, we must plan for the unknown. No one knows his last day on earth.
So, I will be having meetings here shortly. Let's discuss this.
Destiny can never be changed. Destiny. Somebody must fall for somebody to rise up. Destiny.
Sorry.
You say it's snuck?
Yes.
It's all right. It's going to be painful. Don't try it.
Sorry. Sorry.
Easy.
Sorry. Sorry.
Easy. Be taking it.
Ezeonu, will you be fine?
It's going to be fine.
But I'm sorry. Sorry.
It's done. It's all right. It's done. You can take him home now.
So how much should I pay?
Try and visit me in my house in the evening. I will give you some mixture, herbs that will aid in quick recovery. Omo, where's Ogalega?
Thank you, Ezeonu. Brother, you are fine.
I feel better. I feel better.
Mother, I have tried all I could to convince Father, tell me all I need to know. But it seems all fell on deaf ears. I will not be held responsible should I break the royal coffee rules.
No. No, son, you will do no such thing. No. You cannot bring calamity upon this land. You are destined to rule in future.
Mother, what calamity are you talking about?
Well, I've said enough already. If there is more to say, I think your father is in a better position to say it.
That is the problem, Mother. My father has failed to live to his responsibility.
No, he hasn't. Listen, son, let me tell you a little story. Your father was so happy when you were born. He was happier when the news got to him that it was a boy. So if there's something you expect him to tell you and he's not telling you, that means it is not yet time. Why don't you wait for the time?
Oh, destiny, oh destiny. Yeah, akala kamjilibio. Destiny can never be changed. It can only be.
Stand up, so that you eat. Your food is hot and ready.
What about you?
I'll be fine. I'll eat much later. Let me just rush down to Ezeonu's house to get the herbs. You know he asked me to come and get the herb for a quick recovery.
Listen to me. You can do that later. Sit, let's eat together.
That'll be fine. Let me just go and get the herbs first. I'll come back now. I'll join you to eat.
I insist. I want you to eat so you can have enough strength.
Destiny can never be changed. Destiny, oh destiny. Yeah, I can like
Daddy, the apple is nice,
You leave it.
Yes. You know, in school, I don't do this.
My mouth is bitter. I'm not tasting anything.
That is why I said, let me quickly rush down to get the herbs. Yeah?
if I solo see me no the will of the gods must be done no matter what. Destiny can never be changed.
I greet you all. Your Highness, may you live long. Your Highness, there is something troubling my mind for so long. and I have decided to bring it to the cabinet today.
Go ahead.
Your Highness, we are lacking behind in terms of development compared to neighboring kingdoms. Your Highness, we do not have good roads, no daily markets. Our school blocks are weak and the roofs are leaking.
Exactly, Your Highness. My frustration is we seem to be doing nothing. The current developments in our neighboring kingdoms, places like North-Ija, Ajali, Ofoma, Isoji, Umunze, and other neighboring communities should be a wake-up call for all of us. We can't even boast of electricity with all our population. Igwe, asikwa n'ebe onye biko ọ na-awachi.
I heard all you have said. And I promise you all that I'm going to look into it.
Ah! Igwe, look into it again. This is not the first time this matter has been brought to the cabinet. The last time it came, you gave us the same response. Till date, nothing has happened.
Ichejavo, are you in any way holding the Igwe or accusing him of failing his duties?
Are you the Igwe or no? Let the Igwe speak for himself. Ichejavo here has a point. Oh no, are you the Igwe?
Odala chalacha na mburu ya nene kwa m.
Are you the Igwe?
But
Oh no, are you the Igwe?
It's all right.
Open him one quomodo.
Oh no.
Oh
no, it's all right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're not here to quarrel among ourselves. What you said is correct. I mean, we are lagging behind in development. But if you can remember, 2 years ago, I met the governor and I presented this issue to him. He promised he was going to do something about it. And up to now, nothing has been done. I am going to meet the governor in a couple of days' time. I will still remind him of this same thing. So please, DJ, bear with me and give me time to speak with the governor.
Igwe.
Moses, Omo what? Give your one no ya. The line Oh, go see there. Hey! What if I know to know our kingdom? There is nothing else. Peace. Oh, you greetings, my son.
Thank you. Went to your house, but I could not find you. So I decided to come to the shrine.
What was I saying here? You did well, my son. You did well. I have the liquid with me here.
Listen, you have been staring at me. Who police were?
Hey! All is well, my son. All is well. In you I saw what our kingdom lacks. In you lies the future of this kingdom. Hey!
I don't understand.
You will not understand. Hey! What's going on here? What are you? What's going on here? My son. I'm equally confused. But when the time comes, we shall know. When the time comes,
that is why we have come to seek answers from the gods. Makaranu bajo also abaya jeba.
Hey. Ntende mo. Hey! Ntende mo. Hey! Okwunu na edum. Ifozo. Ifunu gwa mmeka nneme. Eni ajide. Okoside. Muna enyu. Unu na edum ija. Ma Jonathan.
Onye kpọọ lo kwuru mal ka o si ejo. Ndị bodo ni so na ọkpọ ọba na eweta iji ya.
Ise.
Oya de.
Nani? Omo bo galega. Hey. Olu eko n'elu. Olu eko n'elu o. Njinjijile. Our kingdom has been experiencing backwardness for decades.
Sir, oh sir.
Wakanalume. The manhood behind the anus.
Hey. You are confusing us the more. Stop speaking in riddles. Break it down for us so that we can understand you. There's more to these statements than the way they sound. Make us understand what is going on.
If you can see, it is resting on the wrong abode until it is retrieved. Our kingdom shall never experience progress. Hey!
You are confusing us the more.
The royal coffee.
The royal coffee? What happened to the royal coffee?
There is more to this than we think. Omu Bogriga! Hey!
Okalagiri!
If it's in the If you are going Noya,
we have to go.
The royal coffee was originated by Yul Edochie first. He was the one that brought the throne to this family. And he is the first king of our kingdom.
I am not ignorant of that, you see. But my confusion is the mystery surrounding the royal coffee. Ezeonu told the elders that there is more to it than anyone can tell.
Then that also remains a mystery to me. As far as I can remember, the royal coffee kick-started the day Yul Edochie was crowned the king of those kingdoms. According to him, the instruction was from the gods. And he warned seriously that under no circumstances shall any royal blood in generations go against the rules. He said that a serious penalty awaits whosoever does.
Greetings, the spring ruler of our kingdom.
Greeting the eyes of the God. To what do I owe this emergency visit?
The full moon has appeared 22 times since the birth. It is time to bring him to the shrine of our kingdom for consecration and rituals to remove immediately to us to enable and make him worthy to hold on to the mantle of leadership of this great kingdom after your demise. The next 4 market day. Hey!
Sent for me.
Yes, my son. Ezeonu was here earlier today. The time has come for you to undergo the ritual required as the heir apparent to the throne of our kingdom. This is to prepare you for the leadership of the kingdom of Nigerian ancestors.
So, where is this ritual going to take place?
It will take place at the sacred shrine of our kingdom.
So, Father, tell me, does this have anything the royal coffee.
Now, did you notice that everything stalled ever since the day Okosisi became the king?
I don't think so. Our kingdom has been experiencing backwardness before he was crowned the king.
Then what could be the problem?
A question no one has been able to answer to.
Not even the gods?
We have not asked them yet.
I think we have to do that now.
No, let's give the king some time to see if he can fix it anytime soon.
Well, if you say so.
Yes.
Good evening. How are you doing, Neka?
I'm fine. Where is Ihuane?
He's gone back to school for his final year exam.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. He told me. Anyway, I came to see if there is anything I could assist you with.
There is nothing.
How can you say nothing when there is a lot to do?
Neka. Why don't you find something to do with your time? Instead of coming here all the time seeking for work to do for me.
Ozone, why are you talking like this? Eh? You know I love you. I always come around to help you with house chores because I want to be around you always.
But the reverse is the case here. Don't get me wrong. I do not hate you. But I can't date you. At least not now.
Okay, I will wait till you're ready.
You do not have to wait. Neka, you do not have to wait. Find something to do that you will engage yourself with. Get yourself busy. If you do, I believe it will help you stop thinking about me all the time. Get your mind occupied. An idle mind is the devil's workshop, you know.
I know. And I've tried. I can't get you off my mind.
I promise you, you can. Try harder. I have to go back to what I was doing.
Why am I feeling rejected?
More to the royal coffee. More to the royal coffee. Oh no, what else did he say?
Nothing, my king. Nothing, my king. It is a mystery that he cannot unveil himself. But finally he said that sooner or later that mystery must be revealed.
What is this mystery that even my father, the late king, could not tell me about? Or is he also ignorant of it?
Maybe, Your Highness. Maybe. Because a mystery that cannot be revealed to Ezeonu, that mystery must be so confidential. I even suspect that even our past kings are also ignorant of it too.
No, the question is, who is the originator of this royal coffee?
That is the issue.
Destiny, oh destiny, destiny, yeah. Akalakam jilibi oh destiny, destiny can never be changed. Destiny, it can only delay but must come to pass.
Mother, what is the problem? Your sister is really getting on my nerves. She does not want to conform with the rules. She says she will beg.
Mother, I'll have to go inside and talk to her. I'll talk to her then.
You had better do that.
Somebody must fall for somebody to rise up. Destiny, Ese ya porque so we batano destiny. If it te ya no well destiny can never be changed.
Yes, yeah. Lock that gate. I said lock that gate. Get in again.
Anyway, what is it? Are you okay?
If you open this gate, Makachi, unkucha guitar.
What is it again this time?
Oh, you even have the temerity to call me by my name, Memero. A whole me, the chief guard of this entire palace. You're not scared.
Emeruwa, you have as well been insulting my position in this palace. I'm the head maid in here. Have you forgotten?
Gene. Apufandeazu. They can't fish, crayfish, they come out.
Hey.
Eh? No, you are the head maiden, and so what is the time?
How is that my business? Why did you ask him not to open the gate?
Oh. You haven't heard about the royal curfew. It is curfew time. No one leaves, no one enters. Do you understand? Even the king of this kingdom is now in his upper echelon, relaxing, and you want to go out as what? Head maiden. My friend, if you open that gate, I will deal with you. Lock that gate.
But I'm not a royal blood now. Eh? I've been leaving and returning to this palace even by 7. Why today different?
Yes, good question. Today is different because those days are your Christmas day. And as you know, every day cannot be Christmas. Today, I, Emerowa, the chief guard of this entire territory, this palace, this kingdom, in fact, says you are going nowhere. My friend, you are going absolutely nowhere.
Now I know why you are doing all this. Because I rejected you, right?
Let it be. Now you know. What can you do about it?
I do not have your time. When I do, I will let you know. Yeah, open the gate.
If you dare open that gate, if you try it, if you open that gate, you get sacked. Why am I now? Oh. You don't know that the gate man is answerable to the chief guard of this palace. Yet you say you are the head maiden. Eh? I supersede every of you in this palace, including the Igwe, because I am his security guard, the chief security guard. Mokwembo.
Don't worry, I will deal with you.
No. Come back and exchange words with me. Eho mi emerowa. Security guard di buruburu. Ezigbo onye nche na-eche igwe, na-eche lolo, na-echekwu ngwa na onwe gị na ebughari ike idiot. Come and exchange words with me. Akpabinsi tolo. My friend, come.
The will of the gods must be done no matter what. Destiny can never be changed. Destiny. Somebody must fall for somebody to rise up. Destiny.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my son. Sit down. I got the message clearly. You have undergone the rituals of kings and you have been found worthy by the gods to take over the stool after my reign.
Yes, Father. I am super excited. In fact, words can't express how I feel.
You are the true son of your father. I can now sleep peacefully without the thought of losing this traditional stool brought into this family by the great Onyekwere, the first to another family.
Exactly, Father. So, Father,
yeah.
Can you now tell me all I deserve to know about the royal curfew?
There is nothing more to say, my son. I've told you everything as I was told by my late father.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Anything for you, my friend. One more thing. You have to be dedicated to your job and take it very seriously.
I promise I won't disappoint you.
Alright, anyway, you have been assigned as Princess Lizzie personal maid. So your duty is to follow her everywhere she goes and do whatever she asks you to. That is right and legal before the tradition of our kingdom.
I'm sure that won't be a difficult task.
Good. So follow me so I can give you your uniform.
Thank you.
This way.
My princess, even without seeing you, I cannot love you less. Do you know that I stare at your picture every night and day? As a matter of fact, I must confess that you are as beautiful the way you are in the picture.
Wow. Thank you very much. You're not looking bad, so...
Oh, that's your own opinion. I have waited so long for this day. The day I would sit and discuss with the great princess of our kingdom.
Can you stop extolling me?
I am not extolling you, my flawless queen. It's just that I cannot hold the excitement.
You're a prince too, and there's no big deal drinking with me.
I know. Only few princesses possess your flawless quality. You are the dream of every man. Whoever will have you will be thankful to the gods.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Can you just stop praising me already? Thank you.
No, you're welcome. But the truth is that you are so beautiful. You're extremely dazzling beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. My prince. You have a lot of words in your mouth and I won't lie, it's catchy anyway.
But I am saying the truth.
Ego, why do you like talking about the prince every day? Why are you so curious about him?
Hey, Amaka. Did you just say curious? Eh? You and I know that the prince, our prince, is the dream man of every girl in this village.
Ego, speak for yourself. Because no woman in this village made you their spokesperson.
Okay, but I spokesperson or leader, I don't care. But you and I know that I am speaking the mind of every girl in this village. Even you, sir.
Hey! He is your dream man. The prince is not the dream man of every maiden in this village. I can bet you for that.
And then whatever, please. Whatever. When I see the prince, hey, that's my action. Like I'm tired of this. Whatever.
You better be. So that I can hear word. Every day prince. Abba.
It is mine.
Your Highness, I will be taking my leave.
It's alright. My regards to your father. No, he will hear. Okay. By the way, my daughter, I hope she was able to...
Adeze, she's a wonderful person. She's fun to be with. As a matter of fact, Your Highness, I will still be coming tomorrow to see her.
Oh, that's alright. Same journey back home.
Thank you, Your Highness. See you tomorrow.
Son, I am very worried.
Worried about what?
About your sister's insistence on going against the coffee rule. The whole thing is giving me sleepless nights.
Worry not, mother. Everything has been taken care of by father.
Really? She has confirmed?
Not yet, but soon. Very soon.
How are you sure?
Don't worry, Mom. Just watch. You will see for yourself. Don't be worried.
I saw the excitement while sitting with him. Do you love him?
But why wouldn't I love him? I mean, he's cute, he's smart, he's educated, he's tall and he's handsome.
Is that all that matters to you? Oh my goodness, how are you even comfortable sitting? I mean, a man father chose for you. I doubt if I can adapt to such situation. Planning to marry a man arranged for me in my absence. Hell no, I can't do that.
Wake up from that dream, sweetheart. That is tradition.
What stupid tradition is that? In this century?
Lizzie, what's your problem? Why are you always against every part of our traditions? What's your problem?
Because they are annoying. They are irritating. They are absurd. They limit human rights. They are awful. Jeez. Thank God I'm not their daisy, because I would have gone against this one too. He's not even my kind of man. Look at how he looks. I don't even like him anyways.
Talking about that, take a good look at yourself. Do you even think you're his kind of a woman?
Did you say that?
When you see him tomorrow, ask him that.
Beautiful girl. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Fine afternoon. It's like you're a newly employed maiden in this palace.
Yes.
Hi. Oh my God, no. Hi, Makachi. This is the best decision Her Majesty have ever taken in her entire life. So may I know your name?
My name is Neka.
Neka. Hi. It's Boafa Mama. I'm Emerowa.
Emerowa.
Yes. Okay. The chief guard. The CEO. Chairman in charge of all living and non-living things in this palace, including you and other maidens in this palace.
Oh, really?
The Igwe, his throne, his crown, and even the Lolo are under my care, security-wise. Do you understand now?
Yeah. So can I leave now?
Leave to where? Is it because I like you and I'm talking to you, you want to leave? No. The chief guard is talking to you. And you, Makachi, if you make any move here, just a word, you'll get sacked out of this palace. Don't try it. Is that... Keep the story to yourself. Just like the royal curfew, as the CEO, the chief guard, in charge of all living and non-living things in this palace, I have also brought out my own rule called the royal testing.
Royal testing?
Yes. This is a process that all newly employed maiden in this palace go through. Do you understand? You have to visit my room, and your performance in bed determines how long you stay in the palace.
But Nkiru never mentioned that to me.
Nkiru? Madukomo. Nkiru is just human. She can't remember everything. I'm telling you now. So Bulia Nobi.
Okay. Can I leave now?
You can leave. No
problem.
Hi, one more say so. Ebola and on a banana island. Ibunya infection, mango kwa agwo. Chai. Nkwa bubu ni shika nwo. Sipo infection ya buo mu. Hi. Emerigo mi kon.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Your Highness.
So, how are your people?
They're fine.
If I may ask, what is your intention for my daughter?
Well, if you don't mind, Your Highness, I will want to take your daughter as a wife.
Have you discussed that with her?
Not yet, Your Highness.
So what are you waiting for? Do the needful, and I promise you, you have my support.
I will do just that, Your Highness.
Emeruwa! Emeruwa!
Why are you shouting my name like a mad dog? I've been at your Papa Billy Daniel.
See, I'm not here to stare at your stupidity. What did you tell the newly employed men?
The newly employed men?
Yes.
Nothing can concern you to that.
Oh, really? Okay, no problem. You hear from the point.
Come on! How will you stand to gain if the pain release you and my beauty? Eh? You know you stand the chance to gain absolutely nothing. So why are you trying to make an issue of your good?
Oh, you think so? Let me tell you, I would tend to gain peace of mind, happiness and joy.
Sometimes you behave like a man. Let me tell you, sometimes you behave like those evil spirits where they walk out or where they find they want to get. But I know so you know be one. You know be one day. How will you tell me that you stand to gain peace, happiness, and waiting again joy? If there's happy for this my work, this work what they see from too. So you dey fuck up. You dey fuck up.
Because you are useless. Yes.
Be useless.
Of course.
Same to you.
Oh, you
useless.
still have man to talk. You still have man to talk. No problem. You hear from the point.
You calm down.
Leave me alone.
You dey harsh o. That time you are not need about marunanya. You not special. Who can't keep this one for you? That's one I'm going to keep everything for this palace anyhow. This one na my position.
I'm ready.
Oh, you're right.
Your Highness, we're about to leave.
It's all right. Let's make sure you allow her to come back to the palace before 5:30 p.m.
I will do that, Your Highness.
Father, you don't have to stress yourself about that. I already have that at the back of my mind. Before you know it, I'm back.
That's my daughter.
Shall we?
Yeah. Sure.
All right, have a nice.
Thank you, Father.
Brother! 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 Oh, you are here. Hey! I am back. My brother! I am back. Go. Now I'm a graduate. I feel weak. Hey! Look at you. You're looking good. So you're not a graduate? But I'm now a graduate as you wish. I'm a graduate. My brother. I am so happy. Let me help you with the luggage. Brother, don't worry. I can carry them. No, you must have been exhausted now. Give it to me. Give it to me. Now I am a graduate as you wish. My brother. Hey. So how are you now? Even one day. Brother. Your mother told me you have refused to listen to her advice and that you have threatened to break the rule of the royal coffee. My daughter, why?
Because I know my fundamental human right. And freedom of movement isn't excluded.
But it seems to be ignorant of your traditional position. Listen, my daughter, I am not asking you. I am telling you that you have to abide by the rule, either forcefully or peacefully.
Father, I am not a slave.
I know that, and I have not said you are one. But don't make me do otherwise, okay? Now leave my present. Leave my present now.
brother, now that I'm a graduate, as you wish, I think it's time you start thinking of getting married.
You are here to go for service.
Yes, I know.
Not until you get a job and start taking good care of yourself, I am not getting married.
No, brother. You think you're making the right decision? Because I know if Papa and Mama were to be alive, they will never, Chacha, be in support of you being single at this age. I think they will be very, very disappointed wherever they are now.
No, listen to me. They are not disappointed. They are even excited because I'm living up to my responsibility, which is seeing you to succeed. Bro, go and have your bath. Let me go and warm the soup.
Okay, brother, but I want you to get married fast.
Don't worry, I will get married. Let me go and warm this. I can see. Congratulations. At least you've engaged your time and mind with something more meaningful. You may just find favor from there, you know.
You're right. But that still doesn't change how I feel about you.
I know, but don't worry. Very soon you'll get over it. At least you've not seen me for a while now, but you've been living your life. Unlike before, you used to frequent my house like a village stream.
But do you think I'll stop loving you?
I know you'll stop loving me soon.
I doubt this opinion of yours.
I just stated a fact, not an opinion. You see, people mistake infatuation for love. Don't worry. Very soon you get over this whole thing and you move on.
You call my love infatuation? Okay, I see.
How dare you? How dare you insult father? Are you out of your mind?
Have you gone nuts? Do you realize I'm your elder sister?
You expect me to respect you when you cannot do the same to a man that brought you to this world? I can say whatever you studied that God has rather your senses of reasoning. But let me tell you, if this repeats itself again, you have to contend with not mind you and my elder sister.
Are you crazy?
Stupidity.
Oh! Because I should have been so important as the first and only son, right? That's why you had the right to insult me like that. Abi? I will deal with you! You're an idiot! Rubbish and stupid tradition. You're very stupid. I won't say it.
Neka, I do not hate you. Just that I have more important things to attend to.
But I promise never to be a burden to you.
It is better said than done. Let's just be friends. Platonic friends.
It's okay. Not as if I have numerous options to choose from. No problem. Maybe before too long, I will give you reasons to love me just as I do.
Till then. So, where are you going to?
Going to see my parents. It's been long I saw them.
Alright. See you some other time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
I want to go out. Come on, open that gate. I said open that gate. Are you crazy?
CSO, Merora, said I shouldn't open the gate for anybody. Be it anybody, said I shouldn't open the gate, that's all.
Who is Emura?
It's me. Ever since you returned from overseas into this palace, you don't know who the chief security officer is? I mean, the chief guard in charge of all living and non-living things in this palace, including you.
Do you realize you're speaking to the princess? Are you stupid? Huh? Are you crazy?
Sorry, I know I'm talking to the princess, but I'm not stupid.
You're an idiot. Seriously, you are mad. And I promise you won't last more than today in this palace. Mark my words. By the way, why did you tell him not to open the gate for me?
Thank you, Ma. No verse. The order came from the highest authority, down to the lower chamber, the CSO, and over to the local chamber, the gate man.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
I'm sorry, Ma. I know you are used to BB grammar because you're a lawyer. Yeah, going overseas. Yeah, but let me use my indigenous language so that you can understand me better. All I'm trying to say is that your father...
I can't take this.
No, your father, the king, gave the orders. Yes, he gave it to me, the CSO. I'm the CSO. And anything I say happens in this palace, take me to wife.
You know, father did not just restrict you from leaving the palace because he wanted to. He did it because of your stubbornness. He's afraid you might break the rules as threatened should he allow you leave this palace. He has no right whatsoever to obstruct my movement because it is my right. Lazy, do not allow the Western education becloud your sense of reasoning. It's our tradition. What stupid, unhealthy tradition? The man you claimed has no right to restrict you from your movement. It's not just our father, but the supreme ruler of this kingdom. And so what? And so he deserves an apology for all the insults you melted on him yesterday. The lawyer you are today, he made you. No, please don't use that word again, please. No one made me. I bought my midnight candles myself. I wrote exams by myself. Okay? You wouldn't have had that privilege should he not paid for your fees and sponsored you through. The same candles you bought, he paid for it! Because it is his duty as my father to do that. He doesn't deserve a thank you for that. If I decide to say thank you, it is out of my generosity. Lizzie, what has come over you? You weren't like this before. You changed automatically immediately your foot stepped into this kingdom. I didn't change. I only learned to fight for my rights. See, this whole question of a thing is pissing me off. Like it's really getting up to here. Seriously, I'm getting tired. What's all this? We have no choice. You have no choice. I have no choice. I'm living up to expectations. Why can't you live up to expectations? Is it too much to ask for? I've got choices. Okay? I have got choices because it is my life. And I choose the way I want to live it. To get used to it. Thank you.
That reminds me. But I forgot to tell you something 2 years ago.
2 years ago? What is that?
Remember the day I went to visit Ezeonu to collect the herbal medicine for your snake bite? He told me something very strange.
Something strange? What was that?
Ezeonu said I have a vital role to play in our kingdom.
Ezeonu said that to you?
Yes, he did. I wanted to tell you, but it skipped my mind until last night.
Last night? Why last night?
And in that dream, a voice said to me, the time is not far from now.
Lazy. I really don't know what's occupying your mind right now. But I think you have to revise your decision of dragging father to court. Why, if I may ask? Because he's your father, even when my freedom is under threat. He's afraid of granting you freedom because your freedom remains a threat, not just to this palace, but the peace of the entire kingdom. Should you break the curfew rule, a serious calamity will befall the whole kingdom. How true is it? And how sure are you? After all, it has never been recorded in the past that anyone did. So what if all this is just a mere hallucination?
Madam, what about Nneka?
She has found something doing with her time and strength.
So what is she doing now?
She now works in the palace as a maid.
Oh, I see. That is why I've not seen her since I returned. Now, brother, do you think working in the palace is the best option for her at her age?
At least it's better than nothing. However, I believe in something in life. Wherever you find yourself is for a reason. Who knows? She could be edging closer to greatness.
You think so?
Forget about her, eat.
It's alright.
Tracy, I need your assistance. Can you visit me in the palace, please? It's a long story. As I speak with you right now, I can't even leave the palace. That's why I need you. Thank you so much. I respect you.
Now I believe the motion that Western education has done more harm than good in our society.
And why do you say so?
Princess Lizzie is one of the disadvantages of Western education. I mean, how can someone call the tradition of her land rubbish just because she's schooled abroad?
How can you attribute her stupidity to Western education? Because as much as I know, Western education has done more good in our society than harm. We have doctors, lawyers, and engineers who strongly believe in our tradition.
Keep quiet. As much as I know, Western education. How will you know when you haven't acquired one? Takara, you want passing season kitty, cha-cha. My friend, keep quiet and let me educate you. When intellectuals like us are talking, you keep quiet and learn. Guinea. Oh, Nkiru, a whole chief guard is talking to you and you're walking away. Chief guard, Ejo Makebi Naga, Chekeleke, Isoluko Nkiru Naga. Look at them, birds of the same feather, flocks together now. That is why you don't want to learn. Oh, Emero, I wish I wish you know you knew my net worth. You should have come and be dusting my shoe every morning. That is the little problem I have with them. They don't want to learn, and they don't know. So where are you, get man? Come on, lock this.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. I was taking my shower.
It's alright, Your Highness. You are here now.
I did inform you are coming. I hope all is well.
All is well with my family. It's yours I'm worried about. Really? My attention has been drawn to Princess Lizzie's refusal to adhere to the curfew rule.
Yes, my brother. That has been my recent worry for now.
Is it not best if you fly her abroad?
For how long is she going to stay there? I mean, she can't avoid her father's land for long. I just don't know what has come over Lizzie these days. I don't know.
So, what are your plans?
I'm only just reduced to one choice for now. That is not letting her out of the palace until I have a better solution.
I think there's no other solution. So, this is good.
Yes.
Let her remain there.
No, that's why it's not good to allow your children stay abroad for too long. They tend to forget our tradition.
It's true, but even when they're here, children are always children. They'll still behave like children that they are.
Right.
Greetings, Ezemo.
Welcome, the messenger of the throne. Why are you here?
His Royal Highness demands to see you now.
I'll be coming.
You have a brother anyone would love to be.
Yeah, I am glad to have him as a brother. If any life exists after now, I would love to have him back as a brother.
So where is he now?
He's going to his usual electrical workshop.
Okay. Alright. I'm worried.
Worried? Worried about what?
About him. Like, why is he not yet married? Not even in any serious relationship. He keeps scaring all the girls who come his way.
What your worries too? Well, he said he doesn't want anybody to come in between us. That he will consider getting married when I stand as a man. And be able to take care of myself, your body.
Wow. What a caring baby.
You can say that to me.
Can I ask you for a favor?
Go ahead, I'm all ears.
Do not disappoint him.
Greetings, the supreme ruler of our kingdom.
Is it more like that's the thorn in my flesh?
About the princess?
Yes, is it more? This is my daughter.
So, what do you want?
This royal coffin. What is the possible punishment if she breaks it?
I wasn't told by the gods. But by my father, the late chief priest of this great kingdom. He verbally passed it on to me. According to him, breaking the rules attracts serious penalty. Death. excluded. Because you see, he said again that his father passed it on to him, not the gods.
So, what I say on this is that gods have nothing to do with these rules.
I have not said so. I am an upright man. I say things the way I see them. When the God speaks to me, I agree with it to them. When man speaks, I also give him the credit. Because you see, it is obvious that this rule are passed on to generations, Father, not gods. My own judgment, I think this is the way from the gods. Hey!
Destiny, oh destiny, destiny, yeah. Akala kam jilibi oh destiny, destiny can never be changed. Destiny, it can only delay but must come to pass. Destiny, if onye yabu okwa yako yabu no. Destiny. If a solo see me no ye no. Destiny. The will of the gods must be done no matter what. Destiny. Destiny can never be changed. Destiny. Somebody must fall for somebody to rise up. Destiny. Ese ya pokeso so we batanu. Destiny. If it
My king, what is it? You look worried. Did the Ezemo come with bad news?
That is an understatement. It visited with more confusion that has thrown me into a deep thought.
Destiny, oh destiny, yeah. Akala kam jilibi oh. Destiny can never be changed.
You saying I should sue your father for extortion, right? Yes. Make sure you know what you're doing. He is your father and the king of this land.
And how does that give him the right over my freedom? And he had to lock me up in the palace. Does that even make sense?
No problem. I was just giving you a friendly advice. I will do as I was instructed.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
No matter what, destiny can never be changed. Somebody must fall for somebody to rise up. Ese ya pokeso so we batanu. Ife tele teko ya no welom fichanoa. Destiny can never be changed. Destiny, oh destiny.
What are you doing here?
Why you sound as if you don't know what I'm doing here or what I want?
You shouldn't be here. What if Nkiru or someone walks in and sees us?
Nkiru, Amado come more. Why are you scared of this Nkiru? Eh? Have you forgotten my position in this palace? I am the chief security guard, the CSO, and the chairman in charge of all living and non-living things in this palace.
Emewa, I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my job. Please go.
You are not losing your job.
Aye.
You know it is weather for two now. Go here then. Will you come to my room?
Please go. Leave me alone. Let me do my work.
Will you come to my room?
I've had you. Go.
Emmanuel, what are you?
Go, I'll go and see you.
You will come. I don't want to look for you. You will come. Man to Bala. You come.
So you went ahead and sued father. Do I die your business, big sis? For crying out loud, who is sponsoring your stupidity? If you call fighting for my rights stupidity, then I'm sorry, big sis, you need to go back to school. You're making a case because you're a lawyer with a man who made you become that. Whatever, I don't care. Anyhow you chose to put it, I don't care. I have no problem with it. Well, welcome to Nigeria. You think here is abroad? Let's watch and see who wins this case. Let's just watch. Okay, let's see. What are you doing in my restroom? Nothing. Hey, do what?
What right do you have to ask her such stupid questions? Are you now the queen or the princess? Eh? Common head maiden, you are carrying shoulder. If you are not the queen or princess, you kill somebody in this palace. Or me that is the CSO in charge of things and things in this palace. Now tell me, is my room a children that no one will come into?
Oh, I see. You explain better to the queen.
Nkiru, please don't report to the queen. Have you seen what you've caused?
Put your mouth.
Hey!
Calm down. Why are you scared? Calm down, bro. See, listen, something. She is only jealous, yes, because she is not the one in here. What the going on in green light, not on your off. On your not on your off. See, let me tell you. If she goes and report to the queen, we both with him and lay against her. So calm down. After all, she will not catch me on top of you. That's another useless girl.
Is she out of her senses? Or does she think this is abroad?
My dear, my major fear now is that she shouldn't just win that court case. You know she's a lawyer. If she wins that case, the whole kingdom is under threat. We are at risk. Nobody is safe.
Relax. There is no way this girl is going to win this case. This is our kingdom. What are you talking about? I beg, relax.
But she's a lawyer and her father isn't. The whole kingdom is under threat.
I said it's not possible now. Relax. It's not possible.
Okay. I pray so. I pray so.
Oh, wow.
My daughter, it came to my notice that you are planning to sue your father, the king of this kingdom, to court.
Yes, uncle. Because my father is trying to hold me hostage in this palace.
That is due to your stubbornness, my princess. I want you to withdraw that case immediately.
Uncle, you should tell my father to grant my freedom.
That's the only way I'm pulling down this case. If not, I am taking him to court and nothing will change it. Nothing.
And even if you do, what makes you think you win him in court? My daughter, the royal curfew rule was not made by your father, but he was also forced to live by it just like every other person in this royal palace.
Is that what royalty is all about?
No, my daughter. But that is what royal palace of our kingdom is subjected to.
I was coming to your house.
Coming to my house? To do what? Hey, Amaka, what is it?
All is well. I came to tell you that you have been chasing impossible dream that will never ever come to pass.
Amaka, do you always come to meet me with good news? Eh? What do you mean by impossible dream? I don't understand. How?
Prince Nnamani.
My Prince Nnamani? What happened to him? Like, is he okay?
All is well. The prince has chosen who belongs to his class. You see all this time he has been coming to this village. It was not just an ordinary visit. He came to this village because of Adaeze, whom he has chosen to marry.
Maka, you are wicked.
Where were you going to?
Let's square. I'm going. Don't follow me. Follow me.
What did I do wrong? Ego! I just came to tell you the breakfast.
Welcome to our country. A country where some people are above the law. A country where the judiciary bends the law to suit some elites. A country where power and authority are all that matters. I'm sorry for your loss, dearest sister. I know by now you must be regretting your actions. But it's never too late. You can still apologize. And I believe Father may, just maybe, will give you a listening ear. What do you think? Come on! Here is our country, not United States. Some things are not done here. You don't sue your father, my sister. Learn from your mistakes and never regret.
Joma, what did she say to you?
So you're equally afraid of losing your job?
Afraid of who? As a matter of fact, nobody can even sack me in this palace. I'm not even the king. I am the chief guard of this palace, and everyone in this palace are under me, security-wise. You want to go?
So now tell me, why are you curious to know what she said?
Nothing much, just for security purpose, so that I will know how to deal with her.
Liar!
Liar. No problem. I'm a liar. I agree. So tell me, what did she say to you?
Well, she said you're a womanizer.
Chineke? Umagene? Apo na okpo organizer. Ma obulukwa organizer. Okay, the man nka womanizer. No. That's a very fat lie. A big one. I was only trying to know the kind of people they are, to know if they are loose or not. What I going as the chief security?
Shift, Joe.
na nekwa no feni techagunya na godi hem hazichago. Sometimes this guy na make ogbanje ekwugomia. Nkira ibo ogbanje. Just come carry sansan pour for my gari. Gari we don't rise while soak since what the one make you feel everywhere. Hi. Mwa bemerowa. Uso bwadiro.
It's so unclear to me how the princess aborts everything concerning our tradition. Did you know she sued her father because her father refused her, breaking a law that has been existing since decades?
That's civilization for you. The white men imposed their rubbish on us. Our children now see our tradition as rubbish and crazy, while embracing that of the white man.
I have this strange feeling.
What strange feeling?
The princess is not the only one that has traveled abroad. Do you know that?
Yes, yes.
Ade is a traveled too.
Yes.
So why is she different?
I can't really tell.
I have this feeling that there is more to her behavior than just the Western education.
I have same feeling too.
I am telling you honestly.
Yes.
Please, let's leave the song.
I don't know why you have to say otherwise.
No, my king. She still sees you as her father.
No, my queen, no. There's nothing that you say now that will make me change my mind. Yes, I have made my decision and I will not go back on it. She will never leave this palace again for the rest of her life.
No, Your Highness. This is too much. No.
I have spoken. And it's final.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Now look at the mess you've gotten yourself into. Have you run out of barristers to call? Maybe I could help you, just maybe. I could help you with some contact to call my dear learned sister.
Please, Adeze, please. I beg you in the name of God. If you have come here to blame me, use the door. I'm enough mess already.
The mess you got yourself into. I warned you. Just find a way to get out of it. Or maybe you can employ your education to help you, my dear learned barrister.
But why is everyone even blaming me? What's going on? Because I was fighting for my right? Or is it because I'm in this country? Really?
You're fighting for your rights. Your rights, you say. Sweetheart, stop blaming your rights. This is our culture, our tradition. Get used to it. And stop blaming the country. It has nothing to do with this.
But I am choking right now. I feel disgusted. I just want to go back. I am tired.
Sweetheart, just stop ranting. You are actually the one giving yourself the whole stress. I think you just have to stop stressing our parents. Stop stressing yourself. You're bringing this whole thing to yourself. I don't know what your problem is. What's your problem? What do you even want? You're just selfish. It's all about you.
Tired.
Yes, this is our country. Unlike abroad where children sue their parents.
And it isn't forbidden in our country either. Just that our judiciary system is corrupt. And I strongly believe the Igwe bribed the judge.
Even if he did, it's for the benefit of our kingdom.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Tell me, what if one day someone breaks the royal coffee rule? Yeah. And it happens that there is no penalty attached as we all are meant to believe.
Destiny, oh destiny, destiny, yeah. I can like continue, oh destiny, destiny can never be changed.
See, Choma, me Ebele, if I give you, just eat it. I told you there is no way that girl is going to win that case. How is it possible? I'm very sorry for doubting you. You know, to even think of the fact that that girl would have won this case. When I was feeling probably because she's a lawyer. But thank God she didn't win.
And I don't even know what's wrong with that girl. I mean, that girl that calls herself a princess. What kind of pompousness is that? Ha!
Ebele,
Too much.
whether she's a princess, she's not a princess, that's not the issue for now. The main thing now is that she shouldn't leave the palace. I mean, nobody should just let that girl out of that palace. If she does, my dear, I fear she would break the curfew rules.
As if I care. And as I can see, you are so concerned. And since you are, why don't you carry your legs and go and tell the ego yourself? Go and tell
It's not about being concerned though. It concerns both of us.
You and who?
Everybody in this community.
You and who?
I and you.
Be there. We don't concern me for concern this matter. I beg, let me
come down, come.
You fought for the right cause the wrong way. Remember I asked you if this is what you truly wanted to do and you said yes.
Tracy, I didn't invite you here to remind me of my past mistakes. I only invited you here to help me get solution.
I think there is a weapon you're yet to use that can make your father change his decision.
Are you serious?
You know you're the only friend I have in this village that I can talk to.
When you just start repeating this your words like that, I just know a secret follows. So, what do you have to tell me?
Do you believe the future holds something for me?
Yeah, I don't understand. Why do you ask?
A hand is holding my destiny.
Don't even tell me you have started listening to all these end-time pastors.
No, not at all.
Better.
It always comes to my dreams. I see a hand holding my destiny, Munachi. But then I hear a voice saying, it can only be delayed, or it shall come to pass.
Since when did you start having this dream?
2 years ago, after Ezeonu told me I have a vital role to play in our kingdom.
Destiny, oh destiny, destiny, yeah. Akalakam jilibi, oh destiny, destiny can never be changed.
My father said that in a month's time, we will be coming to see your parents.
Oh my god! Are you serious?
Very serious.
Oh my god. I really can't wait. I can't wait till that day comes.
Me too. I cannot wait for you to be my woman forever.
I know.
Melo, why not go inside and change so that we can have a good time outside the palace?
Alright, no problem.
Okay.
Just a few minutes.
It's alright.
I'll be with you in a jiffy.
I'll be waiting, my love.
Alright.
Ezra.
I'm sorry for wishing on you and your heart. I'm really sorry. And I'm ready to make amends. Okay? Please, just forgive me. Thank you. Because I know you're mad at me. Please forgive me, please.
Greetings. Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, beautiful maidens of my land. How are you?
We're fine, my friends.
I can see. So, what are your names?
I'm Choma.
I'm Ebele, my friends.
What a unique name that befits your looks. Alright,
thank you.
See you some other times.
Thank you, my friends.
Okay. Alright.
Bye, my friends.
Okay, bye-bye, my friends. Okay, bye-bye, my friends. Bye.
My princess, you brought this upon yourself. You know that.
I know, Uncle. I know. That's why I want you to help me. My father listens to you a lot. Please, just help me talk to him, okay? Make him understand that I am sincerely sorry and will never break the rule. I'll forever remain grateful if you help me convince him. Please, Uncle, please.
It's alright, my princess. I'll talk to him.
He's so cute, he's so handsome and very humble.
Well, that's how a typical prince should be. Ebele, don't tell me you're crushing on him already.
Well, if I should lie to you, I'm not.
Really? But you know your facial expressions while we were with him showed it all.
So you know, yet you asked.
Oh, well, just so I could be sure. Oh, you're too quick.
Oh, please leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Really?
Yunko, don't you like him?
I do like him. Who wouldn't like a prince? But don't show it that quick.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You sent for me?
Yes, I did. Sit down. I've given you an apology, a thought, and I've decided to forgive you.
Are you serious?
Thank you so much, Daddy. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you.
But you must never leave this palace without a guard and a maid.
Daddy, it is not a problem. I promise I would never ever do that.
And one more thing.
What?
You must return to this palace before 5:30 p.m.
Okay, Daddy, thank you. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. That you're the best daddy in the whole wide world. You know that, right? Give me a peck. Thank you. Yes! You're going to tell them I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Mother. Adele, what is it?
Father has forgiven Lizzie.
That's good for her. Let her go and sin no more.
Mother, what do you mean by let her go and sin no more?
What do you want me to say?
Oh my God, she even went out with her dad and maid.
Yes, I saw her. I even reminded her of the royal curfew.
Okay. I know she would not dare try to misbehave again.
I saw her.
Mother, I'll be going inside and I'll doing something. I'll tell you to be going. What's that for?
Oh, my princess, that's the latest club in town.
Oh, what time does it function?
It do open around 4:30 till dawn, Fridays and Sundays.
Wow, sounds interesting. What's today? Today is Friday. Okay. Right, let's go. I love you so much. No wonder they said 2 heads are better than 1.
2 good heads.
Of course, 2 good heads. Seriously, your idea yesterday worked like magic. My uncle was able to convince him. The feeling was awesome yesterday when I left the palace.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You know you should give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar and to God what belongs to God.
I know.
So that means when it comes to your tradition, you should respect it. And when it comes to education, you can apply your knowledge.
Sure.
And remember the coffee rule, do not break it.
Do not break it.
Do not break it.
Do not break it.
Do not break
I
it.
know.
Cheers.
Oh my God, seriously, you are the best. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Is it that Princess Liz is so stubborn? She's coming.
I have my car keys.
Bro, I'm meant to drive with my princess.
Don't worry, I won't be needing any of you, okay? Just give me the keys and leave my way. Thank you. Leave my way, come on.
Why would you allow her leave this palace all by herself?
I tried stopping her my queen, but she insisted on...
Will you shut up? Fool! Are you insane? Listen, just pray to your God that she comes back here by 6. If not, I'll skin you alive.
I'm sorry, my queen.
Shut up!
Sorry, my
Fool! Will you shut up? Idiot!
God, what have I done?
your time. Your sister is not yet back.
Mommy, we have just 30 minutes left. Why? Why would she do such a thing? Why would she take such a risk? Has anyone called her?
We have called her several times, but she cannot pick her calls.
Okay, let me call her myself.
Hey, yeah, please excuse me, please. My car just broke down.
I think I know this car.
Yes.
This car is from the palace. Are you a member of the royal family?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm the second daughter of the king. My car just refused to start on my way home.
There is a royal curfew. You're not supposed to be outside by this
Yes,
time.
I know. That's why I want to fix it. You know, I need to fix it right now. Do you know anybody around that can help me fix it?
What is the problem?
The ignition refused to start.
I'm an electrician. I believe it's the key. It's a key problem.
I
Just...
can't even open it.
Okay. Hold on. Just hold on.
Oh, thank God.
Wait, let me get something. Because if it's the kick problem, there is somewhere I can hit. I'm very sure the brush up that if I hit it, you'll be able to manage it.
Something, okay?
Make sure you go and fix it.
I will.
Go and start it.
Alright.
Right. Start. Start. Start it. The royal coffee has finally been broken. Hey. Oh. What am I going to do now? What am I going to do?
Hi.
He should take the blame. He shouldn't have solicited on her behalf. He shouldn't.
No. You don't have to blame anybody. She deceived all of us. All I have to do now is to look for a way forward.
So, what next, Father?
You have to summon him tomorrow morning. He has to come here and tell us what to do next.
It is getting dark and this girl is not stay back. Eh? That girl she's just so stubborn. Does she want to inflict calamity on the royal family? Ha.
See, immediately she asked us not to follow her. I knew she was up to something. My fear now is what the king will do to us.
He will have your head for dinner, idiot. A simple task was assigned to you to do. You couldn't execute the task. Follow the princess wherever she goes. And you are standing here. Oh, I'm talking and you are going in Kiru. A whole chief guard is talking. Now oversee you in this palace. He's talking to you and you are going. I will come to your chapter. You, don't worry. I worry no more. Wait until the rule is broken.
Emeruwa, this is not your duty post. Go back to your duty post.
Okay. You are still standing. Will
I force myself to follow her?
Follow her. Oh, look, that is the instruction. Go. I don't have anything to do with you now. You are still standing up there. Ngwachalo.
Emeruwa, imani na de achoko oku.
Onye ngudi kore. Na station. Umuazi a one nworo zoro na compound a. Nsogbu adiro.
Onelu.
My princess, I'm still amazed. You know, you mean you fell in love with me at first sight?
It's just a natural something. But I myself, I'm actually very surprised because it has never happened to me before. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead. Feel free.
Okay. Do you love me?
Ogrega, the princess broke the #1 rule of the royal curfew yesterday. How do we appease the gods?
The princess of our kingdom. Can you Jennifer? Over Nedum. Let me consult the gods. Hey! Anelia. Olinka. Okunna nyamni. Unuka nakolo. Wani mofu. Unu fuanga no. The God said nothing to me. And I had no feeling or sign of any abomination committed last night.
You mean they did not reveal anything to you at all?
Not at all. Go home. Let's wait on the gods. Hey! Omo bogliga. Hey! Ome fire agwam.
How is it possible that the gods did not reveal the abomination to him? What kind of gods do we serve then? Are they blind?
That I can't tell, Your Highness. But maybe this abomination is beyond the gods.
How can the abomination beyond the gods we serve?
I don't know, Your Highness. But I think there is more to this.
So what do we do then?
When our grandfather was alive, I heard him mention about one oracle of Ipangwara. I think that oracle have something in common with this palace. That may be the only person to tell us what we need to know.
But then, you have to visit Nkwangwara then, as soon as possible.
Okay. Okay, Your Highness. I'll make inquiries and know more about that place.
It's alright. It's alright.
It wasn't my intention to break the rules. Then why did you do it? Why did you go to the club?
Baby, no, the club starts by 4:30 p.m. So, my man was to be here before 6 p.m. Before I got carried away by the music DJ was playing. You know how much I love partying and clubbing.
How much you love partying and clubbing?
Now you've committed a taboo. And nothing happened. What happened? Nothing. Don't you think we've been deceived all along?
Why do you think so?
because I've got good news for breaking the rules. Which is, I fell in love with someone. You know that guy that helped me fix my car? I think I love him. It's actually love at first sight.
Lizzie, are you being serious now?
Mm-hmm. The guy is cute. You need to see him. Oh my God.
We are talking about a taboo that is going to affect the whole kingdom. And here you are talking to me about falling in love with some stranger? Really?
You don't get it, don't you?
Gosh.
God, I love him. What? Cheers. Come on.
You are so weird.
I have made inquiries, Your Highness. I will be spending 21 days on the path to Ibangwara.
Honestly, I wish I'm the one embarking on this journey and not you. You are not too strong, and I'm afraid this journey may affect your health.
I'm fully recovered, Your Highness. I will be fine. You don't have to worry.
My daughter is the one bringing this calamity upon us. I should be paying the price and not you.
She is our daughter, Your Highness. You are the king. You can't be spending such a lengthy time outside the palace. Like I said, I will go to Ibangwara and I will come back healthy without problem.
It's alright. The head guard will take you to where car cannot go further. I wish you safe journey.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. Thank you.
Ignoring the law is not an excuse. Tradition is tradition and can never be changed. No one is above the law. Our bantam on the law. A police in no one. Just you know you have to bail. Why are you questioning tradition? Why are you fighting the laws of the land? Natakwana ifonye metale we disibule. Mpolonye kono wane yako na horo. Ignoring the law is not an excuse. Tradition is tradition and can never be changed. No one is above the law. Our bantam on the law. A police in no one. Just you know you have to bail.
Why are you crying?
I love him so much. I love him from the depth of my heart. But he has chosen the princess over me. Is it because she's royalty and I'm not? Is it because she's from a rich family while I am poor? Just look at me. Am I not a woman? Am I not beautiful enough?
Neka, it's okay. It's okay. All these things you said, it might not be the reason.
Then what's the reason?
In every situation we find ourselves, we have to give thanks to God. The best is yet to come. Please. Wipe your tears. Hmm? It's okay now. Eh? Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. Stop now. It's so someone will see you. It's okay.
Brother, are you sure you're doing the right thing?
Bro, my heart beats for her. I cherish having her around me. What I feel for her, I have never felt for anyone else. And I know she's feeling the same way too.
No, brother. It's not all about her, but her father. You know her father is strict and wicked. I strongly believe he will not give his consent to your union with his daughter.
I love her. She loves me too. That is all that matters. I believe love will conquer.
Oh, brother. What about Nneka? Do you want to live in Nneka like that? Again, you and I strongly know that she loves you with her life.
Bro, I have tried several times to love her back too, but it's so impossible. I feel her pain, but there's nothing I can do.
Brother, think wisely. That is all I can tell you. You know you're my elder brother. It's better you think too that you won't make mistakes.
Hey Barry, it still baffles me that the royal family could be this careless. My dear, should the blame go to the entire royal family or to that stubborn Princess Lizzie who broke the royal coffee rule? The royal family shouldn't have let this happen. I mean, they were too careless to have let that girl out. What else were you expecting the king to do? He tried everything possible to prevent this from happening, but that girl wouldn't listen. What do you want him to do? I hope this doesn't affect Prince Edochie. See who you're worried of. Pray nothing happens to you and the entire kingdom. As for me, I'm scared already. But I thought you had a thing for this prince. How are you feeling unconcerned? This is a serious matter, my dear. Please, just hurry up before my mom comes back. But suddenly, why are you so concerned? I thought I was the only one. You asked me if I liked him before, and I said yes. Nobody wouldn't. So I'm just concerned. Nothing more. Suddenly. At least I'm not crushing after him like you're doing.
Lizzie, you finally achieved your aims. I guess you're happy now, right? Please, Daisy, I'm having a good day. Do not spoil it. Please. I really don't blame you. Seriously, I don't blame you in any way. You've succeeded in putting the whole family, the entire family in worries and confusion. And you're here having a good day, like seriously. I thought you're wiser than this. Seriously, I actually thought you're wiser than this. Okay, let me ask you something. Were we not told that once someone breaks the rule, a serious calamity will befall the kingdom? It's over 5 days since I did. What has happened? Nothing. Can't you see that we've been fooled for too long? It's very obvious.
No. Be quiet for now. But certainly not forever. Ezeonu is aware of the royal court that has been in existence for decades now. Maybe it's also a mystery to the gods. Yes.
My king, if there is something attached to the violation of this rule, yet it is a mystery to the gods, then who will interpret it? Or are we going to live in this fear forever?
No. That's why my brother has decided to embark on that long journey to meet who he believes they have answer to this our numerous questions.
And who is that?
Hearts shall be held.
Head shall rule. Tears will be shed, but at the last joy shall wipe tears. When the rightful man is dead, our kingdom.
And who is the right man?
The rightful man's eyes shall be the head of the rightful man's eyes shall be the head of
The rightful man is the eyes that will shed tears. When the head of his beloved is off.
Ignoring the law is not an excuse. Tradition is tradition and can never be changed. No one is above the law. Our bantam on the rock. A police no one.
You said, the Spirit said, the hearts shall be hot, head shall rule. Tears shed, but at last joy shall wipe away the tears.
This is him.
When the rightful man is seated on the throne of our kingdom.
This is him.
And I've had similar dreams on several occasions.
Omo bo aglega. Omo bo aglega. Aglega wala na nwa. Yo. We bonu kwa nkwa. Oko si ade. Oi. Ne. Fear not, my son, for I have seen the Bemelisibo of your bubble. Go home. Fear not. Worry not about the dream. Worry not about the dream.
Thank you, Zuma.
Maybe in no distant time, it shall become a taboo for you to step into the shrine of our kingdom. Go home, my son. Go home and worry not. Hey! Omo ogleka. I'm giving one quick and neku. Oh, go see there.
Please, I want you to convey my sincere apology to your father. Tell him I'm deeply sorry that the marriage can no longer hold in 10 days' time as planned.
Why, Your Highness?
See, there is an existing problem in the palace, and I need to solve that problem before giving any of my daughter out in marriage, so as not to attract more calamities to myself.
Honestly, Your Highness, I am so disappointed, but there's nothing I can do about it.
Please, my son, bear with me. I also inform your father that I will personally come and explain things to him so that he can understand. Okay? It's alright.
No one is above the law.
Baby, there is something bothering me.
What's that?
Do you think your father will give his consent to our union?
He has no option than to do that. If he fails to marry me to you, then I'll be forced to leave the palace and come stay here. Seriously. Don't worry. Okay? Got you.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. Nika, come back here. What's wrong with her?
Hey, go. Ami, what's all this excitement all about? Amaka, God has punished my enemies for me. Okay, now let me now tell you the story. You know, you do not waste time to come and tell me about the prince wanting to marry the so-called princess Adeze. Because you know it will make me sad. But you still came to me, Amaka, your friend. When you know that I will not be happy about it, you came and told me, Ego. Okay, now, I won't even waste your time. I won't waste your time because Ego is here for a good news. The king has refused the prince from marrying the princess. So that has given me an opportunity to shoot my shot. Yes, so I will chase my dream man.
Hey! Ego, yeah? Let me tell you the real truth. The Igwe never withdrew his endorsement for their relationship. Ha! The marriage is just being old, just for the king to settle the current issue in this kingdom. Eh? Mrs. Dreamer,
Is you that
keep
know,
dreaming.
You know where you're getting your own information from. Whatever. My own is I am getting my dream man. Don't even know if you're a friend or whatever.
I'm told you are the idiot my daughter has been seeing. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. But I've done nothing wrong. I love your daughter. Will you shut up? Now listen to me and listen carefully. I do not want to see you anywhere around my daughter again in all your miserable life. If I do, you will have yourself to blame. And for looking at me directly at the face and telling me you love my daughter, the princess of our kingdom, I will give you something to remember. Guys! Go and give him 50 strokes of cane. Now! Take him away! Nonsense. Look at it. Riff-raff.
Your father is not saying that he will not marry you. What your father said was that he should wait for a little time so that this whole issue will be solved.
Mother, what about
If he changes his mind, why waiting? He will not change his mind. If he does, that means he is not the right man for you. Okay?
No, mother, no. I don't want to lose him. I don't want to lose him.
It's okay, baby, don't lose him.
Where are you going to carry the bag?
I don't want to work again. I chose in my room. I want to go back to my house.
Why? Did anyone offend you here?
It's a personal decision. You've been a wonderful person, but I have to leave, okay?
Neka, wait. Neka, wait and explain to me now. Neka.
Come back here.
Greetings, Father.
Keep your greetings to yourself. I understand you are hanging out with that village tout.
He's not a village tout. He's an electrician. And I love him. I want to get married to him.
Will you shut up? Now, listen to me. I don't want to repeat myself. I don't ever want to see you with that village tout again. If I do, you will have me to contend with. And I mean it. Naughty girl. Now get out of my presence. What is shut up? Why was it only you? Are you the only one in this palace? Why are all this giving me problem? Why? Now leave my presence now. Leave here! Naughty girl.
Ignoring the law is no time excuse. Tradition is tradition and can never be changed. No one is above the law.
Ohisu, Nwamaduka of our kingdom, welcome to the abode of the greatest oracle of Ipangwara.
Thank you, greatest oracle of Ipangwara, for making my journey brief.
Sit, for the covenant has been broken. The royal curfew has been broken.
That is why I am here, great oracle. What do we have to do?
It's already too late. It could have been avoided.
But no one has died yet, and no calamity has befallen the kingdom. Something can be done to get it averted.
The damage has been done already. Just that it is still invisible in the eyes of the mortal. The covenant and agreement this shrine had with Igwe Onyekwere has been defied. And there's nothing I or anyone can do.
Destiny, oh destiny, destiny, yeah. Akalakam jilebio, oh destiny. Destiny can never be changed. Destiny, it can only...
Greetings, Your Highness. Keep your greetings to yourself. You abducted my daughter. Where is she? Your Highness, I did not adopt your daughter. Just that the bond of our love is so strong and cannot be broken. You know you have tried so hard. Just let us be, please. Shut up your mouth. How dare you talk to me like that? You dare look at my face? I, Igwe Okoli the first, and utter those nonsense? Are you out of your mind? Brother! 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 Brother!
What's wrong, man? What's wrong, man? What's wrong, man? What's wrong, man?
What have you done to him? What have you done to him?
What's wrong, man? What did you do? What did you do, Daddy? What did you do? What's wrong, man? What's wrong, man? You go down. What did you do, Daddy? What is happening? What is happening? Wake up. Wake up, please. Wake up, I beg you. Wake up, please. Wake up! No, no! What's wrong, man? What's wrong, man? Daddy! Daddy!
Brother, they have called. Wake up! Wake up! Brother,
Your family was never chosen by the gods decades ago to rule our kingdom when it gained autonomy. I manipulated them after the sacrifice Onyekwere offered. An instruction was given to him. The instruction was that every royal family living in the palace must be in the palace on or before 6:30 p.m. Any day this rule is broken, he shall lose the throne to another family. And that was how the royal curfew was invented. Being a wise man, he made it popular and even informed the chief priest, then passed it on to his predecessors. And it has been passed from generation to generation, with many not knowing its origin.
Now I understand this better. But it is broken. Great Oracle, how do we fix this?
A broken mirror has no repair.
But we're still holding on to the throne. We can as well keep it.
Lie! Okosi lost the throne the very day Princess Elizabeth broke the rule.
How?
If she wasn't outside by that time, she wouldn't have seen a nobody whom she fell in love with, whom your king murdered.
Stop crying. Please. I understand how you feel. But you just need to stop. For no amount of tears is going to bring him back. Please. Stop crying.
Why? Why? Why would you die and leave me where he knows I cannot live with him? Oh,
You can. It was written, and there is no way you could have changed it. All these are meant to clear the road to your destiny. The heart hurts. The head down. All these your tears are stepping stone to your fate. Cry no more. You were even the first of our kingdom. Hey!
Onyekwere was told decades ago that once the gods of our kingdom wakes, they can never be trapped again.
Chai. So the princess brought this upon us.
It could have been avoided, but the king chose to risk it. After it was broken, the gods wrote a script that everyone was acting all along. The tears are all contained in the script written by the gods for the rightful king to emerge. There's nothing anyone could have done to avoid the wrong decision made after that night.
Okosisi. Obriga, why are you addressing me by my name?
Because you have lost the kingship of our kingdom. You committed a sacrilege. Imelalo. It is stipulated clearly that a murderer can never be seated on the throne of our kingdom.
It was not intentional.
It was committed. You did it. Okosisi, you have to step down for a new king to emerge the throne of our kingdom. Ihuwana, the son of late Maze Eloka, who you murdered his brother, has been chosen by gods to hold on to the mantle of leadership of this great kingdom.
Never.
Then get ready to face the dance of the spirit. Get ready. We can never be trapped again by the three demons who wrested the traditional stone here. The gods of our kingdom has woken up. Do not say I never warned you. Hey! Hey!
Destiny, oh destiny, destiny, yeah. Akala kanjilibi oh destiny, destiny can never be changed. Destiny, it can only delay but must come to pass. Destiny, if only yabu okwa yako yabu no. Destiny, if
are you happy now? No, tell me, are you happy? You see what your stupidity has cost the entire royal household. We're not going to live like nobody and everyone walks along the street. I feel like strangling you with my bare hands.
You're very stupid. You are an idiot. You're a big fool. I mean your father that killed an innocent man.
I have nothing to tell you now. Just wait till you are being thrown out from this palace. You'll see what I will do to you.
Just get out! Get out! Just leave me alone! Leave me alone! I am tired! Get out from here! Get out! Get out! God, I hate everything around here! I hate everything around here! I'm tired! I'm sick and tired! I'm sick and tired! But I'm losing my mind right now! I don't feel like living anymore. Of course it's hope. So much pain. I'm sick and tired. Seriously, I just want to die right now. I just want to die. Look, I'm losing my mind.
Do not blame yourself, my brother. The very day that royal curfew was broken was the same day you lost the throne. Every other thing after then was meant to be. It was a path the gods choose to achieve their aim.
So what do we do now?
Nothing. Nothing can be done by anybody. You just have to step down.
No. I can never live with the humiliation of being dethroned when I'm still alive. I can never step down for anybody. No.
You can live with the pride that you once ruled this great kingdom, my brother.
Never. Over my dead body. I won't do it.
Igwe. No. Obey the gods.
Never. I will never do that. Over my dead body.
Well, we have cabinet meeting today. And we don't want you present. In 7 days' time, you must vacate this palace.
Why are you talking like this? I thought you were my friend. I thought we were in this together.
Yes, I am your friend. Manano ba joso abanya ajebo. Okumoba na eweti ejia. Igwe, in a matter like this, there is nothing I can do. The rightful king must emerge. Igwe, take my advice. Obey the gods for the sake of your life. Ijiji na no river, na-esokwa ozu ala n'iyi. Maka na ọkpala okpoko gburu. Ọ nwụrụkwa ọnwụ ji ya, nyanwa gburu onwe ya.
Oh no, where are you going? Oh no, are you leaving me?
To crown the chosen one.
Never. Yes. Not while I am still alive. I am the king of our kingdom. Not even the gods can change that.
Your Highness, you are playing with fire.
I have gotten the protection of Nwanyị, the goddess of Ngene River. Your gods cannot do anything to harm me.
Oko sisi. Oko kontika.
Na no ife to ofe. Mount to the throne, let's see.
Are you daring me? Are you daring me?
Yes. Oko sisi. It is true that sin is you will not be the king of the dead. Why are you questioning tradition? Why are you fighting the laws of Your Highness. No time is tradition is tradition. Never be changed. No one is above the law. Our bantam on the law. The police in the law. Now, my elders. Destiny, oh destiny, destiny. Yeah. Akala kamjilibio, oh destiny. Destiny can never be changed. Destiny. It can only delay but must come to pass. Destiny. If only abu okwaya koyabu no. Destiny. By the power confided on me, as the Onowu and the Akanemeze of our kingdom, today I crown you the Eze Igwe in one of our kingdom. Hey, hey. Igwe. Okay, why? The queen herself. Ugomalo Meja man. Everybody me agu. And then the Meja. Yeah. Why you talk keep your man? Yeah. If I put a jamat. O sipulo nama.
Also by the power confined on me as you know of our kingdom, I humbly confined on you, the queen of our kingdom. Bubendi our kingdom. Our queen!
Yeah.
Queen!
Yeah.
Queen!
Yeah.
What's one? You go working.
Hey!
After the mother, it is in one. After the other appliance. Okay, go to the hey! Let them fire. Don't be the cup. Hello. Hello, we there. Oh, we have your phone. Hello, we there. Hello. It is in one. Okay, mother. Yes. Hello, go be the. Yeah, that will never. We have your phone. Yeah, that will never. Yeah.
Akalakam jilibio Destiny can never be changed. Destiny, it can only delay but must come to pass. Destiny, if only yabu okwaye koyabu no. Destiny, if a solo si mebe no yemeno. Destiny, the will of the gods must be done no matter what. Destiny, destiny can never be changed. Destiny, somebody must fall for somebody to rise. Destiny, ese ya porque so we batano. Destiny, if it go ya no well. Destiny can never be changed. Destiny, oh destiny, yeah. Akalakam jilibio. Destiny can never be changed. It can only delay but must come to pass. Destiny, if only yabu okwaye koyabu no. Destiny, if a solo si mebe no yemeno. Destiny, the will of the gods must be done no matter what. Destiny, destiny can never be changed. Destiny, somebody must fall for somebody to rise. Destiny, ese ya porque so.